The port characteristics of T circulator. So as previously mentioned, the connections are same: klystron power supply, reflex klystron, isolator provides frequency stability, variable attenuator, then frequency meter, slotted section. Okay, and again previously mentioned, you have to take the beam voltage of 280. So take the beam voltage of 280. Okay, then measure the beam current is a 17 milliampere, reflector voltage okay 203 है. We have to vary the repeller voltage or reflector voltage. So we'll first measure the output here. So adjust that output. One minute. One minute. So at input side, observe here we have taking this pointer at uh, one level. Okay, so we are taking the pointer at one level and this is knob at 40 dB. So input is given is a 40 dB. Now we will give that input to the T circulator. So this is a T circulator. Consider this is a port. We'll connect here and now we'll measure output at this port. 1 minute. So measure 1 minute, there is a deflection. T circulator. So measure the reading. So at port 2 output is observe here 1.5 है 1.5 and this 40 that is 41.5. Then next output at port 3 we have to measure. So measure that output that is 1.2. So at pointer observe output is at 1.2. 1.2 के थोड़ा आगे है तो 1.2 that is a 41. 1 minute 41.3 है. ओके तो 40 इंटू 1.3. ओके सो ये नॉब और ये नॉब. So 41.3. So these are the port characteristics of T circulator. Then next is we have to study port characteristics of isolator. So this isolator, if you observe, it is a place after the reflex klystron this isolator is used. Okay, and arrow is mentioned and it as it provides frequency stability to this reflex klystron. Okay, and we have to study port characteristics. So at port 1 again we will give the output that is adjust here. 1 minute. So adjust here. 1 minute. So this knob is as 40 dB and this is a 1, so 41 dB output is there and we will give to the isolator. So connect this port to the isolator. So by proper alignment we will connect it to the screw. Okay, so now at port 2 we will connect. So measure here, observe here at pointer is at observe 1.4. So 40 into that is 40 plus 1.4 that is 41.4 is a reading at port 2. And if we rotate it and connect here this isolator, connect this isolator here and measure again reading, the readings at port 3 we will get. Okay, so observe here. Okay, so reading is not वहाँ पे. So 44 ये पॉइंटर जो है 44 पे है, मीन्स 4 पे है और ये 40 पे है तो 44. Okay, so these are the port characteristics of isolator. So in this experiment we have taken port characteristics of T circulator, that is a T circulator, Y circulator and isolator, and calculation part is there. These are the formulas for the calculation, that is insertion loss for T circulator formula is P2 minus P1, okay, and for isolation P3 minus P1, okay. For Y circulator insulation loss P2 minus P1, isolation P3 minus P1. So in isolator again insertion loss is P2 minus P1 and in isolation P2 inverse means reverse direction में हमने किया था minus P1. So we can easily calculate the insertion loss and isolation if we will get the readings of port 1, port 2 and port 3. Okay, so we have taken reading and this experiment is completed. Thanks for attending the practical.